ya Baibuli.
Biamana sana mwanchumuli ya bita sene ikia Ndizi TV nebiro binene ngo kwaligania asomoro bile wesa baliyo bonchelia asiri tukulia tobe togo taremye mu cyobosongo kigakitara beto kumerana no mwanchelia yiga eli ndatumanye mboncheli kiboli abakora mwanchumuli ya ngo kwaligani bene eli mo kingakinda bengo gotalia aseduke yiga eli ndabatobe to kwimanyanga mboncheli kiboli bagokorekana aseduke yiga eli trene Frida Kirubo na sinse mwachichi mitandao tubuatia asensemeri ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, asensemeri ya website wetra www.ndizitv.net. Kondo mwanchumuliria yangumira no monchire bweli tukolia rero atumanye na kyakorukwa ngayiga igatore na de boncheli kiboli agokora wakire
aha yasama leta Ngoroku Dennis na Mirani and branch manager Davis and Shatliff Kisii branch.
Okay.
Yes.
Karibu sana somoro bili wesa baliyo bonchelia.
Asante.
Elinde tobe togosanga nayo.
Asante sana.
Kone kora tumbanyingo Davis and Shatliff ndire ya chagete.
Davis and Shatliff ne company ya chagete mwaka 1946 headquartered in Nairobi. So far we are in the market for the past 78 years. Yes.
Okay. Ni miaka mingi sana. Anza kunyatinde yura.
Na so kore ya maybe.
Okay. Mwanchumulie naga nitekumanyanga kampuni mbinto kibiri mokonya.
Davis and Shatliff itoko deal na mangana ya chinguru chomolero na mache. Na wasito kwa ebinte binge asa mangana ya mache makora tore mangana ya pumps makora te boreholes pumps chevisima tore to deal na mangana ya generators amo na mangana ya solar power asto kwa solar panels batteries na inverters.
Okay.
Na nendo wate a section in koroka irrigation yorocha ndo pop up sprinklers ndo wate the normal sprinklers ndo wate na drip irrigation kits.
Okay.
Yes.
Kirikinde gikiagarete mu kaimo kigetambukiro gyo kubiko bonchelia Ngasi county ya Kisii.
Ase Kisii company ya cheta mwaka 2010 goto abaida ase Kisii ase miaka 14 bono gento kiagarete tokabeka bonchelia weta ase town ya Bosongo ne demand to aroche ya yebintu beta so mu Bosongo and considering around 2010 2011 na dili to constitution ya Njenjeti amangana ichi county aliko chaka na iwana to abwate tinge county kia chire Bosongo na into to chororo ekere tokonya nene county wa services close as abantu ba Bosongo.
Okay.
Yes.
Mukarane nti omukini county ya Kisii.
Ni county ya Kisii.
Kirikire na bogo tumanyanga ekere mwa igori to bonchire lyo boiga ngakimwanya te customer ine ntangani.
Customer ntangani ekera to igete Bosongo I think omonto to ete duka eduka ntangani asto abegetari hospital road our landlord ne rolling like our first customer is a contractor so through him tukanyara other customers na tukanya gukora chi advertisements kuruka chi billboards abantu bakanya kumenya twikire Bosongo bagacha se duka eto and kurwa to abere to gukina over period.
Kirikine nige kakingana na kibono mugachaka konyora chi customers ubonge
ntebanga kama dia Davis ne manyire so igasinge yokara samangana ya match no bonje ne chinguru chomorero igo tutoire tie kara kinende first 3 months abantu bataramanya ndo bate some struggle lakini ende by the fourth month abantu bakanya kona reduka yetu na kurweri tuka pick akabona igabona twekire.
Okay. Abantu mbara banalite company iga Sensemelia Hospital Road aside metemo mo change location metingi kerera mo change location go taroroya
eta ningo nyako galera na listo alenge yaringe CBD wono naende no stage gere mata ne mitoko ni bira bit bulky iyo tokaranga mbiya to change na stage igaro montago lido mezigo kura bari bata totali ko nyago kobera gozo litari ko chanegari nyaro bugi access easily go to stage. That's the major reason to chereta and ne taw ne go expand to korumata na ntu wato register stock is chire do gorari to register stock is sawa town na ntu korumata to sawa the general public.
Okay.
Yes.
Akira mukurigereria nga igigasi county ya KCS mobegete dukeiga kakene mago supply within Kisii yoka gusoro gongo rwa gusiro gima.
Yeah. Davis and Shatleaf Kisii itogode net county is Isano. Isano. Godil tole na Nyamira. Godil na Kisii. Godil na Homa Bay. Migori. Part of Narok County, which is Chiruti cha Kilgoris, actually in a part of Bomet County, same as Sotik. I will not go service a regional thing.
Kakene nga kimogo ikera chi custom chiga chino because they are located in Kisii.
Again, to okora ngotara to ntobwate plan chogotara in a weekly basis. Na boko nyora to imoko korwa twenda Migori. Twatara especially as a county twatara bantu bari county. Ne chi custom anjira to bata na chi contractor bari to na tumane twa kore bintu bya mangana ya maji. Ndiko batara tole on a weekly basis. Bana boko nyora ndimbate team ya engineer chiko ganda out. Nyoyo mo chire ruti ya Nyamiro ndo chire Kilgoris. Yo ndo chire nasema ya Migori at a given point waikera chi customers. Na endelende ngakora to disi advertisement una korundisi vetting to arani advert customer jeto banya komanyanga.
No more. Okay. Asibinde bikoba ko kwanera mokoni ni mekinge binte bimbibwa mbiganeti umuntu atwara actually obomanyi. Osimbiganeti umuntu osomerete binte biga maybe akora installation maybe abayigelinga kibiko kora imirimo kerekende kero umuntu akiri guse customer yakiri kugora anakinu mugo kora ensemo yenu.
Ensemo to endokora consultancy to okora free. Abantu mbwate my sales team is composed of all engineers. All of them are trained engineers.
Okay.
So I can customer go to their desk. We've trained them well and they understand the product situations. The customer kaachire igagocha or shida chiaye na ntuona kura shida echi twaji convert to a solution ya ganeti. Izona kwa nyakitali watano mutoko gwatia amwe nyakitali ogere gatanya no mutoko gwate keneke na kirabe cost. So nende karo wachiro beto so taito kusukuma maji kusenkoro roche paka nyombere distance kete to wali distance twaligere to amanya twakara chisabu chitu to manga pambora ganine nyene solo utagete watu te bindo biri gwate nyomba then engineer seated on his desk abako maya go calculate tanga nyene solar system ogane tiara kan battery chinga naiga solar panel chinga naiga ni inverter this size. That's what we do.
Kende ngwana na mole engineer ya chokora installation
bono asa mangana installation ntubate technician une branch ntubate technician station liga na ntubate gari okora mangana ayo so customer ko ntuma kora installation ngo fatore that service we just organize to collect delivery event to the site na technician ende install.
Okay.
And maybe to mention on mangana installation to akora installation ngo fatore a warranty 6 months so that in case of anything happens to the system wake sim to automatic technician te yakora.
Okay.
Yes.
Atatebenga omontara isa wake simi akole ode bintu biriaganeti nabo mokumoirera
eko depending na ki customer ganeti nya ganeti oireru nabo to kwirera bakasoga neti asenya go kunyara gocha ayo no karibishiro wacha wapik kwana na but yo ganeti kwirero to what transport means choko ira binte bitu wherever position.
Okay. Ekero kurigeria gaiga asoro gongorwa gusi maybe chi company nchiro chiko ni binte biga similar ne biga mokoni na kimogo deal na competition asama na
competition nchakera sana kwa nere gore engineer. I don't think most companies bago deal ne timate sononyora ba wate engineer trained una batu wate. That's one already into our sales staff but trained on the specific line yebi to go deal nabyo. That's one. The customer care chire ko make sure tole ko make tole shwanga again taka you get equivalent to the demands chia. Number 2 that then about sometimes ngokora tole free deliveries or no after sales services ngokora tole that part of installation we do and to offer that warranty for the 6 months and beyond that koligelia samangane customer even the talibinto biko shilingi bere go say sato maybe the very expensive so again take an to attend that keko konya customer cheto again to warranty on the product itself ranging from umakoyomo depending on the product wagora nyene pump umakoyomo to 2 years lakini for solar panels it goes up to around 25 years.
Okay.
Yes.
Aha, ekero kuligerero mwanchu muri na barabe ka kwibole nga ebintu ebiga bino mokoni ga se county ya Kisinga imuko binyora ko.
Ntubwate our headquarters jire Nairobi. Ntubwate Ntokoroke distribution center, a very big warehouse in that city. Abuna ntubwate much of our stocks. And 1 and 2 abune branch tokonyora our stocks. Every Wednesday ntubwate track egocha yatoretera the stocks we need. But if customers are need we can order keche whichever time he needs. And then even if we talk on Dalinga Beyond Civil Station Nairobi, we the suppliers from outside the country, but supply from various countries depending on which line of business to go in.
Okay.
Yes.
Nkonyorole nga ngoteba nga e company yeno ne bwate chi branches sawa.
Yes.
Rekende keroko compare obonchiri ya se branch yeno ya Kisi ne chi branch chinde na kiokorra bole.
Naona te Kisi anda te ntore igatwa compared of course town njire chine na Nairobi chire igoro lakini for Kisi onya go pick tore no tore igatwawo ngagerete in the next 2-3 years na okonya bano into twekere elevate and branch ine lakini tobwate na of course na chiri chinke chigo chaka chirense to batinto tora ndata to average but the counter nyago kinere ige biashara nyago pick.
Okay, na kiora leti town out each customer abali babere bagotumika chi product chiga chino
ntebenga sich customer ja to make product chito I think abange they are happy tindara any major complaints bari ba complaining in cause of failure to avere to ko attend but generally customer chito njira happy now
okay.
Yes.
Aha ndetura bwatiraga buturaso asumutima komo keigo to koirana ntawe to gusanga mage ambie bana sana mwanchi muri yabita Seni Kyandezi TV nigo togente gusanga emyo morobeli wesabali yoboncherelia astogente gusanga na bwatani korwega ase kampuni ya Davis and Chatlit abagende togotwerera na uboyo gotomanya ebintu biri bagutumika ose bakonya igaiga aso boncherelia obuiga ekero babiri bagutumanya iga sorgo ngoro busesa begete duka yabo na ali bagokora anene chinga kibabwata bwatani au bako basira asoko nikyanga oboncherere bwabo bakorekana bole boikirana kundu mwanchi omulielia yatoraswa aso mutimo komukeyo toskatonyera ngwira ntorasege keke kerebosyo elinde tobeto gusanga amanya.
Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi.
Omwana bwembe bagatebi omwana bwenguko ngaye omwana bwembe bakaboli omwana
Chingekero cy'omugusi.
Nyangweso ni ngenda dingo kola.
Nyangweso
Na koye ritime. Kora nyore ngabi. Oretera abantu simanya gitinge tuabeta. Wanjireyo.
Nanjire.
Kera rituko lya Alamisi enseye monenusu ya Maragoba.
Ekingekero cy'omugusi tukuna gukwanira entekenene n'okuinyorania igwa aziteyo nobori ore na mukaye oranyora mangana amanzu budaya
oika abantu baitu bamanyena n'abagusi bare abantu basomibwe batwade kisemi kinyinge lakini mbabwati insoni
unato kuna okwerega obunobukano obukano bumbu agatumekire engagi kinyangi cyareko yagiye baba yagiye timoni jo magazine beni na igule beni Maragoba
Maokoro nsara maya patina baguboleba engenkende omuntu oleko bana abantu abangai naenda abanne iga bare ko mwachinga njo n'echumbu cyo komenya asenga kiriaro nenga kiego kigocha
kila rituko lya Aramisi wanzire nsemo nenusu mpaka ase umurobeli yo kwera
Numwiroroye rituko rya Ijuma chinsa isano nemo cha mugaso nasiko gichana
omukunguzyo mazyo myaka yako manya barubero semo mwana okunguzyo mazyo myaka yako manya barubero
omwana bwembe bakaboli omwana bwenguko ngaye
Kunazo simulizi nyingi na za wengi ambao wanahitaji msaada.
Baraza is one of the stories. Baraza alikuwa analala nje Unasema ati kila mtu atafute kwake, alafu mimi naambiwa nitafute babangu tuende kukula huko.
Alirudi kucheza mpira kama kawaida.
Anatumwagia maji, anapasua vitu kwa nyumba. Alafu kuna siku nyingine hapa alikuja akafungia mamangu kwa nyumba, akaanza kumchapa.
Tazama Save Alive kila Jumatatu na Ijumaa saa 12:30 jioni ndani ya Ndizi TV. Tubadilishe maisha.
Mwanche muliriana ndiko kwaligania asentunda ya kabere chinkpenda kusanga emyomorobele wesa baliyo bonchereria astogente kusanga no matanelio manene kurase kampuni ya Davis and Jacqueline oyo gendete gutumanya igoro yo bokodali bwabo anena subonchererio bwiga kurwega ase omochi obosongo mwanche muliriana ngukwaligana naende elinde togende kusanga asuba makagende denti na gutumanya ngaki mukolite nchi customer chino
so mangana ko titenchi customer kuna nanda igente ketangani ngofata after sale service ndishwanga kikwa iro month after sale service always na ko irana sole ko koganya bokonyi akere bintu bya beire njere ataganiti ambaga ya kabere warrant mangana warrant ngo akutema tole go bakonya for a given period of time then ngo tema tole kuna nata yangu tara tole kero to akonerie gento sometimes go tole twa kachisimi tomanga ngakigente ko irete nyeke bwate challenge ende twakonya na sometimes ko tole even messages kumanya customer chetu ngakichigendere with that go yandika tole konya ko maintain. Then another thing ngo fadole gento training ibinda itoto ngata to kodinavyo ibire technical so that monto ndibensora orabaga nano moyo ko kutumeka itatu arabo manyegete sometimes go to organize trainings na abantu be county to korangera engineer chabo to train to understand kala inana bako size for projects kala bako coach project batokanga bagwatu bomanywe ebintu bigane byase chinsa mecho nechi customer chirichi bwata kuna swimming pool go organize to twarangera their pool attendants to beka samu to train wana watch apply chemicals na mna comment swimming pool chabo thing with that what matole go keeping in touch na closeness ya customer
kageta sichi kampuni chinyingi nini mogotema kwa customer chine training
ngongo ba training
okay ekero kuligereria challenges n'ikinyinge chiko basoboncheria ero kende no kampuni ya Davis and Jacqueline challenges kisiri mogwetara
challenge razinja nyako bora biambenga sometimes biashara ngo evidence especially when bone mbleto then manda kanyaranga abantu bange mipimbaga net pumps bono kanyara tore bintu odi na bine byamati kanyara and what customer yego batrende bono ndo data segments yigo chenja cha tokonya. Number 2 ebinde itoko deal nabyo most byo kanyara endo buna match especially gara buna county yokora chi project okanyara ngachika be kira segete reserve ase accessibility yako issue na boto gutome technician ni site oenda maybe ocho gatenga timari tuweka because para njale ngongia ebingo byetere tole sana na enda bono na sometimes bintu ne kibya beire okanya technician ya rally this kwa matuko sana bera to ne customer ne reganyete esabi. Another thing being a technical sales team nini company maswali na to quality customer sometimes customer wego che desk yao kwa mwoli di swali yani akoranga nkumusumbure but in essence ke totage komanya na kitora mokonye nto mwege nto kitachi ko mokonye wana maswali to koboli sometimes ko nge customer ko machiko gachi lakini ende bale wato de merlinga kitotage komanya egera to ba solution ye rengia.
Okay bino kwa biri ko tevanga ebinte biga ebire sometimes technical nungo jarolinga monto tabuga tibu manyu yayigo maybe ochiro tumiru gento oyirire gento ketarengekeri akiro monye na ikire bono bakire sibe batenga gento tali kigana atagetenga kimochi mwakora
ndubwa dishida okora na kiki natanga gikatokuburi swali utara ko egento gikatomanyenga nkigo chiko ekorera da no togo chakera is more of consultants to okora twamanya ngento kitoko gochiko konya kere lakini kera chance ngakwachire kuojire egento kwikire nyomba kwa nyori denga tali kira kwa ganete ndubwa dishida as far as turage turatamba na kerokyo na bogo keirani wa twago chencheria bose twa kwera ni chiba depending ikikwa ngakikwa gani.
Okay ngoja role sometimes a delay inkobere buna saa yembure genda gutwa ngonya ready le nkobere kero mokore TV ntoko Nairobi ana maybe customer iganite igente kiaje timete kimochi mwa deal nesemeyo
again most tokora communication okunya kukwana ne customer especially kera odege ntonya kiarenga okera tutore ngomo tolenga igente kevi nkorukere Nairobi kereka osemambi kereka mambia chikuria buna bono chikanga kinere chigari cia kwa manaro kanyora chikuria chirito gotumeka imbara na barombara bit professional bota taibarenga gari eto ya nyori tedi go this time and then tuna that information to konya relay back to the customer kamarenga igento kire twagane tirero na bakira benge kachinza twatebete igo gotoremereri bagekechisa kitwa muteiri think customer nyinge mbabange bali gocha batwara issue
okay onkonya role chi customer nchiro si chino chakira litko maybe banalite epambwe kero bagorire ligori ndire bamayete pengine kero kuligeria amagori ngo ikarara onchireria kero kinenga kimokwala ati customer cheno na likero bagocha mutari wesinya na senseme ya magori
antebenga akera magori achenjiri una bono I think twatwara issue ne dollar economy teli biyego so tiantenga na nini tutweka twatwarire kwa suppliers watwale price changes chinyinge sana again tutokocha twakora bune company akera tuma yatenga ngo chikuchinyira magori ose next week ndobwate team e currency Nairobi korigeria magana ya magori bagocha bakama up ne police batanga bono kwa ndo review amagori either upwards or downwards ndo bakarabata tomere memo or tenga advice customer chenu itukogete ebitoko chenjibire so nyakanya na kwa ile quotation oma tenge pambo ya cost of 10,000 yongo wakere siminga tenga haya we have this information pambo inabera eli godina bota change in a week's time iko if you could manage to buy one iga era bebeta diba kokoganya digo dirimenta ko gocha gochona onge tusumba
okay anko nyarole chinga kinchiro ali product yegocha maybe okanyara gose a customer ine yanalire product ile yemeyemo lakini product yenye yasoire but nabeko kole mirimo nelinde konye customer enalite anga kimoka rumwa convince customer baba bagwanchira nanga ije nabeko kole mirimo nelinde
ono ebi actually ngo mtubate product nyinge extoko nyago introduce ngora bone to kore ketanga ni unatanga kora to trainings training to kora mostly especially product nchire akanyara maybe to kodina banta bange maybe ko stock is chitna chigo chioni some na training na take to bata some new products to organize training na bali ba patone ba to konya ko na stockist to barangeria to bata itwara tirege ntokere igana na waiga kwa kolega sometimes ko ba demonstrations na kwa kolega ba ko buy that idea I think na rona kibago chiko ni jiskali eko baraisi to bata chi plumber bali ba ko install beside set technician yetu abantu bande bali to ma de chifundi ko install bali na boto ko chakera okwanera bara understand the product because na realize the market mostly customers inge chikorela ni fundi elia bwateka so geke ndefundi ko motevi na kiago bwat so igobono ko tachakera to chifundi chiwa chi understand bana ba install the product ile kego chiko baraisi konyele chi customer ni customer gichi achire abanya to what the demonstration to mora kinga ya eke ne product yenye ande ko kolega asiga kurwa gobono to mo ya na kupiki the market
ingi ko rumo nchumu ligeria arabe kago chori company ya Davis and Shatleaf na tari company chirichinde tiantenga Davis and Shatleaf especially branch ya Kisii ne itora as a strategic so just come to the parking is sufficient next to other facilities na bank na stage so go convenient local shopping and then number 2 another and to mangana after sales service to the technician on standby if you want installation services over installation services to the technician to go tomera ya installation na to bata mangana warranty I think I need to insist on the warranty a warranty as a product I think abantu bali bakora nesi what is warranty ko koira ni what warranty ya into as far as to koneiri to what the warranty 2 years ingendo kyo ke butwale shida within 2 years and to kenga tali shida ringo se wacha to kasa no wanja kwa kare trengo kerigere to leta to akora repair was to replace it for free another thing the thing na Davis and Shatleaf ntori ke biashara bioka nto wate nto ko kanga CSR corporate social responsibility ngoja dole to offer community some services na especially amangana ya mate nyi mutagete mondo community gete kereme na neta to sene pam we ask them to apply to our consideration if we can be able to fund them to go fund either fully or was some portion of that so engineer to go
toko give back to the community.
Okay.
Yes.
Ita sense mongo dili mo ne chi product chigo dili ne chinguru chumurero.
Yes.
Atmeti sa yume tabantu bana resti masada. Atmeti kimo karamo ne chi product chingo ko likachira bona iga.
Ase mangana chi ebintu bigo dili ne chinguru chumurero. Yanda most dito ko dili ne generator na solar. For generators no na roche kuna bona iga musongo morero toi. Kora asirore. Igo wono biashara ibinge tauni yangu by the generator chetu na chiganda tako bakonya. Hakuna butoka na mostly na homes abanta MH na baromba ganeti backup generators iko tuoniri na nko na schools generator chinen 20 to 100 kVA tuone chinya kitali au no ndata to kon chimburu chomo into the chimburu chomo then mangana solar naro is becoming more cheaper and more advanced igabanta bange ngo move back to that line as solar ngo fatoria mangana ya backups so go for batteries na panels abanta bange they have gone to that so egera batema ko reduce power bills kiagera solar na boko tumeka during the day freely na mbo tukoko begete ko charge ti battery cha ubia na boko tumeka igo na beko tema ko punguzira power bills na ende yaika yago konya in case estima ya sirire besides that ndobwate get ko solar pumping I think chipambo especially chiwa kama chikorwe boreholes banyaranga chiko consume a lot of power iro banyara banta bangi bali baganya kola bills ba wakana chinyinge ndobwate bono entoko ka solar pumping solutions ndobwate a special inverter each panel stowaje twabeka egera kwa pamba maji throughout the day odari kutumeka electricity ya kawaida then nabantu bande bali batumeka these hot showers bono konyoranga na bills na chire chiko baikoro bono we encourage them bacha ba tumeka entoko ka solar water heaters chitokoni bono with that na banyara customer banyago chira na mbagenda tago impress the products.
Okay, ndio wana soga sanganite ndete nkwali bagalia bene okwandiro mwanchi muri elisko gali omwali ni gocha sedu kiyega eli ne molimo kwanyara obokalere
ndio mona Frida as piangire bageri kotebanga mbe mona sokoto tarira na wa mwanchi muri geria ronko irali bageri mbakaribisha se Davis and Shatleaf Kisi branch located at Stage Plaza opposite stage ya nene ya Bosongo ngofa tore professional services samangana ichinguri chomorero na macha nko irali bageri mbari gani mutotarere toba services chirimuganeti na nento beto gotara naino kimoto udi bintu totare naino paka to make sure ngento kwa gora a story ya gokonyire no toramo na I'm looking forward to seeing you. Asante.
Okay.
Yes.
Mbio mwana sana sogo sangana inte.
Asante sana.
Aha, mbio mwana sana mwanchi muri eri akobere ko gosangana inte ko toga chage tumorobere igabo ikabone gato ikiro mwelyo no gosemera kwane unakobere go kwimanya amange asomo nchireria weli tukolia rero na ndino chikwimukia egetambukiro nabo gokwanikya ngango ikirora sedukeyega nabo igokwenyorera obukoreri obuikana kondo mwanchi muri eri nyona bakwenda gutubwatia sinsemo chichi mitandao sinsemo ya Facebook gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na biga sinsemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website www.ndizitv.net na Frida Kirubo yenda gutwara obulyo bya imigita senika Ndizi TV obona bwo bwansu bwo mugusi.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu.